Good morning guys, and in front of me is iPad Pro 11 from 2025, and let me show you how to check total screen time. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select screen time, and unless it is active, you will have to click on app and website activity. Otherwise, you will be able to see statistics right here. I'll show you in a second. So if you are opening this feature for the first time, just click on turn on app and website activity, and as you can see, stats are already here. So now just click on see all app and website activity, and you can check it right here. So you can check it weekly, daily. You can check particular app by itself, however you like. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.